Hey guys, so what's going on with Hawaii? This is insanity what's happening. I do believe, in my opinion, that it is direct energy weapons that were being utilized to create those fires. I cannot believe how far this has gone with our government, with the socialistic, communistic, beyond takeover that has been happening to our country here. This has gotten extreme. This is out of control. How do you prove it's direct energy weapons? Just look at all of the available information right now. This is the saddest thing, and it's scary. It's straight up scary. None of us are sitting safe. But the elites, it's beyond. And every day, in my own private world, and then when I see in the media, the alternative media, this is getting beyond scary. And it's a reality. So we need to band together. We have a Second Amendment for a reason. We need to utilize those things. And until it happens at our doorstep, are we all really going to understand? I don't know, guys. I hope every one of you have a good, blessed day. Stay out of harm's way. All right. Peace out.